In this video we talk about flower. See here, the flower is a reproductive unit. Flower is a reproductive unit in all angiospermic plants. See here, it means what? That it shows the reproductive. It shows the reproduction. And that's why it is a reproductive unit in the angiosperms. See, a typical flower consists of four kinds of walls. A typical flower consists of four kinds of walls. What are they? Here, calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. These are four walls. These are the four kinds of walls are present in a typical flower. In a typical flower. See here. It is the angiospermic flower. It's a typical flower. Say this is. See here. It is the first wall. Here is the calyx. Here it is the calyx. Calyx is collectively the sepals. Collectively, collection of the sepals is called calyx. Collection of sepals is called calyx. It is the first wall which is in green in color. And the next step, that is petals. See here, these are the petals. It is the second step. These are the petals. The collection of the petals is called corolla. And third wall, that is androecium. That is the third wall of androecium. See here it is. Third wall, this is androecium, which is consists of the anthers and filaments. Here, these are the androeciums. Here, each androecium consists of one is the anther and which is attached at the apex of the filament. Attached at the apex of the filament. And last wall, that is gynoecium. See here, it consists of stigma, style, ovary. These three are considered as a pistil and gynoecium. See here, these are the four walls. Which are arranged on the thalamus. These four walls were arranged on the thalamus or receptacle. Here, what is the receptacle? What is the thalamus? Here is swollen structure of the pedicellate. Here it is the pedicel. It is a swollen structure. These four walls are arranged on the swollen structure, that is called receptacle or thalamus. Four walls are arranged on the receptacle or thalamus. See here, each flower, here below the sepal, they are having some bract-like structure, some leaf-like structure, that is called bract. Some flowers are having the bracteoles, small leaf-like structures which are present on the pedicel. These are called bracteole. See here, these are the four walls which are arranged on the receptacle or thalamus. See, some flowers are bisexual flowers. Here, what is meant by bisexual? Both androecium and gynoecium. Bisexual flower means both androecium and gynoecium, which means the flower which consists of androecium and gynoecium. Here, some flowers are unisexual flowers. Unisexual means either male or female, which means either stamen or carpel. That is the unisexual flowers. And here coming to the symmetry. See, some flowers are shows the actinomorphic symmetry. actinomorphic symmetry. What is meant by actinomorphic? See here, when the flower is divided into two equal halves by any plant through the center, that is called actinomorphic symmetry. See here, see here, we are going to plan, we are going to divide the flower into two equal halves in any plane through the center. We have to divide this flower into any plane which is divided into two equal halves. The flower which is divided into two radially equal halves, that is called actinomorphic. In any plane the flower is divided into two equal halves through the center, that is called actinomorphic flower. Example, mustard, datura, chili. Next, what is zygomorphic? Some flowers are having the zygomorphic symmetry. See here we have to divide only one plane. Zygomorphic flowers, here it is only one plane, it is divided into two equal halves. Here the flower which is divided into two equal halves in only one plane, the flower is divided into two equal halves by only one plane, that is called zygomorphic flower. Example, Pia, bean, cassia, gulmohar. And asymmetric, which means a flower cannot divide into two equal halves. A flower cannot be divided into two equal halves, that is called asymmetric. Example, canna plant. And here the flowers are, some are trimerous flowers, tetramerous flowers and pentamerous flowers. Here some are trimerous flowers, which means each whorl consists of three. The floral parts are three. Here especially the sepals and petals are three in a number. Example, here it is a monocotyledonous plants. The trimerous flowers are mainly in monocotyledonous plants. Example, allium. Here tetramerous flowers. Here the sepals and petals are in four in a number. Here the plant parts, the floral parts are in four in number. Each whorl consists of four in a number. That is called tetramerous. Here it is, each whorl consists of three in a number. That is called trimerous. Each whorl consists of four in number, especially the sepals and petals. They are consisting of four in number, that is called tetra. Tetra means four, tri means three, penta means five. Pentamerous flowers. Here the tetramerous flowers, example, brassica, and pentamerous flowers is five in number. The sepals and petals are in five in number. Example, hibiscus.